If you have a problem logging into your Snapchat and it keeps on saying check your connection and try again on your account, then here's how you can fix that. First, the reason why is because you have a poor Wi-Fi connection, so I would recommend you moving over closer to your Wi-Fi router and then logging in and going onto your Snapchat account from there, because it's going to have better Wi-Fi signals. What you can also do is basically turn off your Wi-Fi and go ahead and turn on your mobile data just like that and use your 4G mobile data. So those are the two main ways on how you can do that. However, if it's still popping up, then what you want to do is head on over to your Snapchat, and then now you want to press and hold on it, and then simply click on app info at the very top. So then once you're in app info, you want to scroll down and find what says storage usage, which is right over here. And then right here, you want to click on clear cache, which is going to basically clear all the storage and memories and everything that's basically disturbing it. So now once everything is clear cached, you want to basically swipe up and exit Snapchat just like that, and basically clear everything from your phone, and then simply go back and log into your Snapchat account, and then everything should be working fine.